Alright guys, we got Bill.com, a Target, and some Home Depot on this list. Not very cool at all. And Staples. Not very cool.
Could've got more.
Yeah. Look at that little baby pallet. I don't know why they even bothered with that. All stacking and put it on another one.
Yeah, actually.
So dumb.
Got your knock up? It bounced them off of it.
Is that rubber?
I know, I couldn't do
Take a little while.
Yes.
No, this one. Hi guys, we're trying to unload a truck. And my brother decides to lay out a freaking carpet in our way. That's the ugliest thing ever that's worth next to nothing. What do you have to say about yourself?
Well, I'm gonna make money while you guys unload the truck.
You ain't making money with that.
Yeah, well, probably not.
Today though, please, we have a whole truck to unload. Holy cow. That's my bro.
Oh yeah. Always working.
Notice the empty warehouse next door that you could have unfolded in my tub.
Oh yeah.
Cast iron tub.
That's probably
I know. Here, help me push that.
Which way?
This. Ready? Push. Push means forward.
I didn't know what push meant.
It's an office chair or?
Yeah, it looks like it's like a sit design or something.
Cool.
There's a plant too.
Is it as ugly as your other plant?
Probably not.
Really?
This for delivery and then,
You pay him 1,000 or?
well, this company. And then, all this stuff in here, probably another, God, I don't even know. It's not nothing too crazy. 4,000 or 5,000 maybe. Some of the stuff we don't really research that much what's on here, so half this, about 80% of the stuff you don't even know what the hell it is.
This one's big.
I know that's Christmas stuff. Put it all the way, let's have to go down. And then,
I'm just kinda curious what it is.
yank it up. Love it. A good 10 pump for a couple inches off the ground, otherwise it'll catch on that.
This one's long.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
this is fine. And just wheel. It's easy.
How do you let it go? Is this-
Squeeze that up, whatever. Tired. Yeah, they're nice. I gotta teach my crew how to use a pallet jack. Put it in the middle. This has to be down to pump. And then pump it a good 10 times to where that's a couple inches off the ground, the pallet, and then it should be good.
Yeah, that's the Christmas tree.
And then yank it. Probably a couple more pumps. You can pump it as you go too. That's probably good. And then when you get to the thing, try to go faster.
Yeah.
And then when you park it, just squeeze it. Guess it wasn't pumped.
Lay them on there, Adam. I think it'll be fine.
You got stuck on the wall? How the heck did you do that?
Can I do one for your crew?
Your turn, Matt.
I don't know how to control it.
I can tell.
Matt knows how to do it.
That was better than Adam.
How do you get it stuck on the side of a freaking truck? No, that's definitely going on the video.
I didn't have it up. I didn't have it up.
Alright, man. Oh, you failed. Jack it up.
We don't have this kind of garbage at our work.
Dude, you looked good for a second there, then you failed at the bottom.
Oh yeah, I didn't know your dock plate didn't freaking
You
fit.
should have paid attention. More, dude, more. Trying to show off, and look what you did. Heavens to Betsy.
Please don't hurt yourself.
No, I'm not. You see that? What is this pallet?
Staples.
Let me see. That's
Oh, that's a computer, isn't it?
a computer. That's a speaker.
Heck yeah.
Okay, Jenny did good.
Oh, a printer?
Jenny
Guess I
did
got
good.
real.
Well, if it works.
So I just got real hot to the spot.
Oh, what that hot? Yeah, this one was good. I'm gonna put this in front.
Yeah, we'll go through this one first when we're done. Go to the bathroom.
Something's running.
Huh?
Thanks, Captain.
There's a couple computers here.
What a mess you made.
Let me write it. I couldn't sit on it, but
Yeah, that'd be funny. Sit on the edge.
maybe.
And then start with the end.
I could kill myself.
Well, we found our first piece of trash on here.
Yeah.
Got the cold shoe by small.
High dollar, high dollar. Just get it up a bunch and then you won't get caught like that.
Yeah.
Or back it up just a little bit right now. Because
Yes.
that's big and now go up a little bit higher. Probably want to go 2-3 inches under there. Ooh, that bathtub isn't going to be good.
Yeah, that's nasty.
The pallet on top of the bathtub.
Yeah.
That's dumb. But it might get lucky it out of there.
Hopefully. It's not a heavy one.
Look at that, champion. Yeah, thanks. It's okay.
Yeah, you should be.
They think the bathtub is a load bearing.
Well, they did that, though, we could probably clean it.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. It's worth $1,000 for all you gotta be. So, that's not a mistake. Okay. Bathtub.
I'll push it over that thing. You're gonna have to open it.
No, I won't. It's not that heavy.
Yeah, should be.
I told them you're done.
And that's how you do a truckload.
How long did that take?
Did you?
48 minutes.
That's not bad for one pallet jack and me doing all the work. I'm just kidding. I wasn't recording.
That would suck.
Hi guys. 24 pallets, I believe it was.
You want to get the top driven away?
Yeah, sure. A Built.com, Home Depot, Staples, and one Target.
Jump on it and then jump out.
No. Say goodbye. Thank you for delivering. $20. Make it. Hurry, go.
Oh, yeah, free.
I would have done it for 20.
Pretty cool. Second truckload here. Many more to come.
Yep.
We're going to try to get an Amazon load tomorrow.
This tub is basic.
You're basic. You're a basic bee.
That's an oversized tub, babe.
Let me see how oversized it is.
It's not bad. It's just a basic tub.
That's
No, it's like the one. No, that's
Huh?
the same one we saw before.
No, the one we saw
No?
before is a drop-in.
No, so this one is a what?
Just a normal,
$20.
just a deep oversized tub. Look how they stacked this one, guys. They ruined it. Look how it's cracked. And that's not how it was in the picture, so we gotta file a claim for that because that's just stupid. There's no reason for them to do that.
I know.
Can you get a bigger one?
And check this out, guys. They offered us a deal on getting another whole warehouse and storefront. So we're gonna have 3 times the space up front and 2 times the warehouse space. So we are set for a while.
Yeah,
Pretty excited.
Yes.
definitely.
If you get any bigger, you'll have to hire me.
Well, let's hope we can. Shoot,
Yeah.
we were talking about that today.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. So not as exciting this time because it's all like furniture and office chairs, but still some very good items. Printers, coffee makers, all kinds of goodies. So stop by A&J Wholesalers for the best deals you'll find anywhere.
Yeah.
A lot of furniture putting together.
Yeah, that's why when we get the front store and we have a furniture section, it's gonna be amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Like and subscribe. Lots more stuff coming. And yeah, send us a message if you're interested in anything.
No,
one's in.
See ya.